If your bake element looks like this or worse, let's change it. Turn off the circuit breaker to your oven, remove the wire racks, go ahead and get a screwdriver and remove the screws for each side. My little trick is coming up, which I get a piece of tape. You're going to see that soon, and I wrap it around the wire so that it doesn't fall back to the back of the oven, because otherwise it is a huge pain if this happens. So that's why I put that tape right there. As you can see, it just holds it. Remove the old prong of the broken element and go ahead and attach the new one by pushing it in together to the wire, making sure that the prong is fully attached and pushed to the back. Remove the tape, go ahead and place the screw back in and tighten fully. You're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Gently remove the wire element out, the old one, place the tape around the wire to make sure it doesn't fall to the back. Remove it, go ahead and attach the new prong fully, remove the tape, and go ahead and attach the screw. You're going to go ahead and then turn on your circuit breaker, and you're going to turn your oven on. Most new appliances, when you change a part, they do smoke, like in this photo. It's going to heat up, and you're all set. Enjoy!